Hey, what's up, YouTube? This your man Zoe Peasy. I'm about to teach y'all and show y'all how to change uh, camshaft sensor. Okay, the part number is SU4296. You see it? SU4296. I got it from AutoZone. Sometimes AutoZone be messing up, man. So yeah, I gotta make sure. They just messed me up with my Audi A4. So the camshaft sensor is located right here. You see it? Like on the driver's side. I already took the old one off. So as you can see the hole right there. All I gotta do is just stuck that in here. You know, put a little like grease on it and stuck it in there. We'll screw it in, and that's it. That's it, y'all. I'm about to show y'all how to do it. I need a little oil on this, so I'm about to open my oil cap so I could wet it up a little bit. Oh man, I don't have none. I can't get no oil in that hole, so let me see if I can get some from my dipstick. Yeah, I got some. That's all I need. That's all I need right there. Look, I don't know if you can, I'm trying to show it to you, but I'm holding the phone at the same time, so let me just put it on here real quick. See, that's it. I put a little oil on it, and I'm about to stuck it in there. Let me stuck that in there real quick to show it y'all. I'm sorry. It's real easy, man. You see it? Stuck it in that hole. The hole right here. Suck that. Make sure you go all the way in. Make sure it go all the way inside the hole. All right, mine is in there. Can you see it? I just put it in there. All right, so now I'm gonna put the screw. This is a 2005 Toyota Camry. I'm showing y'all how to do the camshaft sensor. I just did the O2 sensor yesterday. Changed the spark plugs. So I can't really like do it because I'm holding the phone. I don't want to lose the screw. So give me 1 second, y'all. Let me set this right here. Try to adjust my phone so I get a good view what I'm doing. All right, I'm just gonna stuck the screw in the hole real quick. I need both of my hands for that. All right. I gotta adjust it so I can see the hole. I'll come back to the video later. All right, almost done. Just gotta get that screw one more turn. See what I'm doing? It's the screw size is a 10. So one more turn. I think it's in there. Yeah. So look. All right. I'm in there. They put the parts back together. You really didn't have to take much out like other Toyotas. Mine is the 05, so I really didn't have to take the filter out, none of that, the battery, the hoses, none of that. I just had to unplug the socket right here, and I'm finna put that back in. You see it? Just gonna slide that back in there like this, and it's supposed to go click. I ain't hear the click, but it's in there. Let me see if my check engine light off. I need to take my key out, the ignition. See if my check engine light off now. I'm finna sell the car, y'all. I'm trying to, have it right for whoever gonna grab it. Wants to come look at it today. Check engine light was on, so now let me see. Oh, it just went out. Hold on. Check engine light is off, baby. Yeah. Hold on. The check engine light right there was on. Yeah, baby. Yeah. It's in there. That's it, man. Just showed y'all how to do a 2005 Toyota Camry. The camshaft sensor. Camshaft, I mean. All right, finally got the screw in. I don't know if you can see it right there. Finally got the screw in. So I gotta screw it up just a little bit more. And now with my hands real quick. Let me show it to y'all. It's in here. You see it right here? The screw right there. That's it. All right.